Hello, hello. What's up, knife people? Back again with another unboxing. They told me there was a mouse in the house, and I think it's in this box. So, without further ado, let's see what's going on here. Been anxious to open this. Anxiously waiting. Had it for a few days now. Let's see here. Power. See what we got here. There's that mouse. Found him. So let's see if this is the right one. Take it out. Check it out. Mouse in the house. So this is a giant mouse, Ace Biblio, Ace line. Giant Mouse is a company of a collaboration of Jens Anzo and Jesper Voxnaes, manufactured in Italy. So this will actually be my first Italian manufactured knife. Look at that double boxing. That's nice. Keep that there. Like that. So here you have it. Packaged up. Been waiting for this. Actually, I was on the waiting list at Blade HQ. I got this. Shout out to Blade HQ. I had it on a wish list. It was on email. Probably about months, even a year ago maybe. And finally getting to have it in my hands is pretty cool. Looks very awesome. Take a quick look at that. Sweet, huh? Man, that is nice. Yeah. Open construction. Barrel spacers. Sweet, check that out. Green micarta. Very nice pocket clip. So I'm a little shaky. I'm kind of nervous. It's a nice knife. Pretty anxious here to see it. Awesome. Micarta looks a little drier in person. Camera probably doesn't show it, but check that out. First try. That's why I got this nice cloth here. For that kind of moment. So, without further ado, kind of weak there. Detent was a little soft. Let's try that one more time. Well, very weak detent. Let's check that out one more time. Nope, it's not coming out. But you really gotta flick it out. So, get my big mug out the way. There we go. Sweet, huh? Whew, this is tough. Sorry guys, I'll try to add more lotion next time. Have the Ace logo. So the M390 is way in there somewhere. You see it? No. There's the mouse. You can see the ears, but maybe. No, it's too dark. It's printed in there somewhere. It says M390. Take my word for it. So I'll give you the quick specs. 4 minutes in. Sorry, it's too busy admiring. Very nice knife, but a little let down on the detent right away. I'm gonna try to keep this as brief as I can. Liner lock, jimping, pretty cool. Not too bad. little side view. Micarta. Kind of see the writing in it. There you go. M390 way at the bottom. There you go. Get that angle right here. There it is, M390. Got it. See it? Anyways, so specs. Overall length, tip 6.75, 2.8 of blade length from here to there. Cutting length is 2.5 from here with the choil. So you got that choil, nice creep up. So the jimping up there, that's nice. M390, you got a flat, full flat grind here, very slight swedge at the top. Let me catch it there. That handle, the handle length is 3.875, 1.1 width, probably at the fattest length there, or the width, I'm sorry, 1.1 width. The thickness is 0.58 of an inch, I'm sure. Let's get that look down the barrel. Sweet, I like it. Let's check the centering. Centering looks good. Alright, looks pretty good. So that whip out is pretty weak. Let's try to Spidey flip. Okay, we'll do the thumb. Reverse flick. Ooh. Can't do the middle finger, but there we go. Just muscle memory. You gotta. There you go. There we go. So it seems like middle finger, maybe thumb, even my short ass thumbs. You can flick it out. The detent on the flipper is pretty weak though, so that needs a major. See that? Woof again. Woof. No good. Micarta feels good. Actually, I got it as a secondary knife to this, which is my Bradford M390 green micarta. Also, you can tell the use on it. See how it gets when you it's not too bad, and actually it's a pretty down home feeling. Kind of the only knife I really feel like hugging, honestly. So this has the same feeling. It's gonna grab your oils and sweat, all that good stuff. So should break in pretty nice. I'll compare it to this fixed blade real quick. This is gonna be one of my favorite knives here. I can already tell it's gonna be a Hall of Famer knife, other than a couple little things wrong with it, with the detent. Let's do a size comparison. Reminds me a lot of this one here, but you can tell this one flicks out. Ferrum Forge, Falcon whips out like a with authority, no problem. Same thing, kind of short, small knife. Drop them, but you can tell right there, about the same size. I'll put them down right now. And there. Oh, this came with that also. What's that there? Delica, of course. There you go. That looks a lot better. I'm gonna try to give this a little still shot here for the thumbnail. Again, really liking the aesthetics of the knife. The detent is pretty bad. I'm gonna keep talking about that because that's pretty bad. Liner lock is okay. The jimping is probably in a good spot there. Same thing like this one, but this one actually has a scoop, so yeah, you can actually put your finger in there. Aside from that, so this knife really is one of my favorite knives too. I'll put that here real quick. Let's get the size comparison on these guys. Get that out of the way. Let me kind of wrap it up here before the sun goes down. Very similar knives. So let me just throw this one in here just for kicks. Get rid of these here. So there's the giant mouse. It looks like a mouse. And also, real quick, off note, this was a knife that looks very similar to this. Maybe you might have seen it. I don't want to kill it too much, but this was a knockoff of this, what you would call a fugazi, which is kind of what that probably means there. But this is one of my first titanium knives that made me want to get a giant mouse, and for some reason this company felt the need to copy them. You could tell the very similar blade patterns. So anyways, we'll get that off, but just wanted to point that out in case you see that knife out there. Buy it if you like, but it's about this one. And so let me just wrap it up here, give you guys another quick little look. It's very nice. That pocket clip looks awesome. Pretty tight. Here. And that's it. So I'll leave it here. And help me out there, baby. Okay. So aesthetics wise, I'm gonna say is a thumbs up. Craftsmanship looks to be pretty well made. Aside from that weak detent that really needs to get fixed, or I gotta try to fix it somehow, but not too happy about that for a almost $200 knife. It is available on Blade HQ, only in the G10. I checked right before the video. I think there was about 3 of them left, so keep that in mind if you get it, that the detent might be a little off. And really weak flip, that's not good. Let's see here. Ergonomics is good. I mean, you can really grab it, get a good choke up on it. Jimping's in good spot. So a lot of control. I like the Micarta here and the way it's going to wear, as I showed you on the other knife. Functionality, the detent is a little bad. Affordability, again, you're paying almost $200 for a knife with weak detent, so major thumbs down. 2 thumbs down for that. Availability, you got about 3 left. This one sold out, unfortunately, within a few minutes from when I purchased it, after the email, which was like literally 5 minutes after I got the email. So again, saved all the rambling for the end. And on that note, there goes the weak detent again, just dropping, not too good. But I do got a little bonus here. for you guys, and we're gonna open it with it. It's sharp. Oh, that's what I didn't do. Let's do that first. Get that out of the way here. And do a cut test. Always gotta do the cut test. My videos are always gonna have a cut test. Here we go. Ah! Ooh, look at that. Nice cut. Here we go, one more time. Whew. Look at that. You can see that, look at that. Sweet. So, woo! Nice. Little redemption there at least. Open the box, no problem. Literally cut through the box. And I barely tapped it. So, let's get this here. Come on, baby. Look at me. Okay. I'll see that? Okay. Paper out of the way. This is another giant mouse. I'll probably do a separate video on this one. Again, same company, same deal. Thank you guys. Same reason I like fixed blades, guys. We'll see here. This is the fixed blade version of, I'm not sure if it's the mouse. I'll get more specs on the video when I do it, but just wanted to give you a little surprise unboxing. And remember, again, when I get to my 50 subscribers, I am making the grab bag get bigger, so you have more knives to choose from. And here it is. Woo. Look at that fixed blade, baby. Sweet. Look at that in hand. Kind of small, really small, but check that out. Let's see here. But I like it. I guess that's the personal number. Kind of a sheep's foot, Warncliffe type. Champion on the inside. And same collaboration, giant mouse. This is a little fixed blade that comes with a nice little leather sheath it goes in. So for those of you that or want to try a fixed blade, that's why I put this out there, so you guys can kind of check that out. So I got this for me as a little backup, and I like it. Very sweet. So that's the bonus. Hope you guys like it. Sorry I'm rambling on, but again, oh, on the contest, I do hate to say it, but you do got to be 18 and over. I apologize again for that late note, but again, 50 subscribers, let's get it and get somebody a knife. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up on the overall. I say go get it if you can. If you don't like the weak detent, then maybe pass, but for me, this is gonna go over here. Thumbs up. See you guys later.